Travels with Roy Wiss.
So hey Josh, you're just walking past and saw you stand here, and you've got my attention. Do you mind telling us about what it is you guys do and how it can be a benefit to a caravan owner?
Yeah, absolutely. So my name is Josh. I am the director and founder of Leak Tide RVs. And what we found when we first bought our caravan, yes, we did have a leak in our caravan, but it wasn't just us. It was multiple other caravan owners who had issues with mainly water damage. And we wanted to find a way to prevent it. So we did a lot of research and came up with Leak Tide Sensor Bubble. And then we also do other meticulous methods with water, checking for faulty hatches, windows, and stuff like that.
So Josh, that all sounds absolutely terrific, but if I wanted to get my caravan checked,
Yep.
how would I go about it? Where would I go and who would I see?
So we are located in Victoria and New South Wales. We do have a factory location in Yalla, which is located near Albion Park. We're mobile in both areas after certain radiuses. You can jump on our website, which is www.leaktidervs.com.au. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and on there you'll be able to find our email and our contact number. Yeah.
Are you looking for agents in the other states?
Yes, we most definitely will be shortly.
If someone was interested in becoming an agent, what would they do?
Get in contact with myself directly, yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
Contact Josh at Leak Tide RVs.
Yep.
So, and Josh, what sort of money would someone expect to pay to have this sort of service done? And furthermore, what would they do once they discover a leak?
So, discovering leaks themselves, I like to say our service is prevention more than leak detection. But if you do discover a leak, get in contact with us straight away. If you find any cracking, peeling of your plywood, don't leave it. Make sure you get it inspected and checked straight away.
Yeah, that's really important. A lot of people
it is.
Find it and then just leave it, and of course it just gets worse. So, what sort of cost involved in that?
So cost up here in New South Wales is $440, including GST, to have an inspection done with photos and a report.
And what sort of time would I have to put aside for it?
So generally an inspection takes around an hour to an hour and a half. Yeah.
Right. Josh, that's fantastic. Thank you so much for giving a bit of your time. I know it's busy here at the Caravan show, and I've watched you talking your lungs out for the last couple of days. So thanks for doing that, Josh.
You're more than welcome. Thank you very much.
Roy Wiss.